So today I'm going to share with you the activities regarding the five senses organs. So how can we have a fun activities while we will be knowing about our five sense organs? So first we will go with the taste bud. So how do we taste? We taste with our tongue. So first I have taken some sugar that is both the powdered and the grain sugar I have used. So this is for sweet. Second is for the salty. It is I have taken some pinch of salt. For the bitter taste, I am using here coffee powder. And for the limey taste, that is the tangy taste, for the sour taste, I am using few drops of lemon. So let's see how we can do this activities in a fun way so that the kids can also have a fun, and also they can understand, they can know that how do we taste our the different kind of taste, what are the different kind of taste are there. Open your mouth. Uh, Taste it. What taste is this?
Sugar taste.
And this is a sweet.
Sweet.
Okay. Now comes here. Yes. What is this?
Salty, salty.
Salty, salty. Now what is this?
Lemon.
Tangy. And this is called sour.
Sour.
What is this? Sour. Now taste this one. So this is called,
Coffee.
this is coffee powder, and this is bitter taste.
Bitter.
What kind of taste it is?
Bitter.
Bitter. Now what we will do, we will close your eyes. Okay? And then you will tell what is this, what mama is giving, which taste. Okay? Which taste?
Lemon.
And this is called sour. Tangy or sour. Okay. Close your eyes again. Face up. Tongue out.
Sugar.
And this is which taste?
Sweet.
Sweet. Now close your eyes again. Tongue out. What is this? What taste is this?
Coffee.
And coffee
powder.
And coffee powder taste bad, and it is bitter.
Bitter.
What is this? Bitter. Eyes, close your eyes. What is this? What taste is this?
Salt.
Salty. Very good. Now the same activity which I have done it with the raw things, what you can do is you can dissolve in the four different cups you can take, and then you can dissolve, and then you can ask them to identify how is the salt taste, how is the sugar taste, like this kind of, like I have taken here 4 cups and I have dissolved it, and then I'm gonna ask. So this is also fun activity for them, and it will surely a very fun activity, and your kid will enjoy the activity, and also they will understand the different taste. So now our first sense organ of tongue, how to taste, is done. We will move on to our next activity. So now comes our second activity, and this activity is for our touch sense. So how do we touch? We touch through our hand and we feel through our skin. So I have taken here 4 objects. This I have taken it for the rough surface, this for the smooth surface, this I have taken it for the soft to touch, and this for the hard to touch. So let's start our activity. Okay, kiddo? Yes, Ashi? Okay. First touch this one.
Smooth.
So touch properly. Yes. How do you feel? This is smooth. How do you feel? This is good. Good to touch? No. So how is this? How is this surface?
Surface. Good. No good. No.
No good. So this is rough. This is called rough. When you touch this, this is rough. Okay. Now do like this. How is this? This is so soft to touch, right? And this is soft.
Hard.
This is hard to touch. Yes. So can you show one by one which one is soft to touch? Can you pick the one which one is soft to touch? Okay. Which one is hard?
This is hard.
This is hard. Okay. Which surface is smooth surface? Can you just pick up and show? Smooth surface. Very good. And which one is rough?
This is hard.
Rough. Here we are doing the activity of our hearing sense. So here I have taken some keys for which makes this sound. Then I have taken one book and a pen with which does tuck 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 this sound. Then I've taken a toy flute and this makes this sound. And then we have taken which Arshi names as a jingle bell. So we have taken this. A small bell out of it we have taken which makes this sound. Then a toy whistle. This makes this sound. And our xylophone makes this sound. Okay. Now we will ask our kid to close the eyes again and to identify the different sounds, and these sounds are coming from which instrument or how it is coming. You can also modify this activity, and how you can ask the kid what are the different sounds he or she gets in her daily life. So that will also be a very fun activity, like the pressure cooker sound or the mixer grinder sound or the horn of the buses or trucks. Like this kind of daily lives also you can ask, and you can see that how the kids are observing and identify the on the daily basis. So let's see first this activity.
The elephant.
Very good.
Jingle bell.
Very good.
Tap tap.
It is on?
Tap tap.
Tap tap. Okay, close your eyes. Very good.
Flute.
Very good.
Flute.
What sound is this? Whistle.
Small jingle bell.
Eyes closed.
Jingle bell.
What size?
Small size.
Now we will move towards our next sense of organ, that is our nose. So for this activity I am using here a wood apple flavored sanitizer which we are using nowadays. Second, I am using a lip balm of cherry flavor, sweets flavor. Now next, the perfume which I generally use, that perfume I am using. A medicine with a little bit of pungent smell I am using. Then gulabari with the rose flavor. And the talcum powder, the baby talcum powder which I use for my kid. And the baby moisturizer which I am using for her on a daily basis, the Mamaearth one. So let's see how we do the activity. So this activity also same way we will do how we have done our restaurant activity. How do you smell?
Nice.
Very good. So now one by one we will smell it. Okay. So you know what smell is this of the sanitizer? Sanitizer. What smell is this?
Apple sanitizer.
Yes. So this is of a perfume. Okay. Mama will show you how it is. Apply it on your palm or your wrist and then ask the kid to smell. Okay. This is a perfume smell. Okay, Mama's perfume smell. Now smell this.
Ganda.
Ganda, bad. Okay, fine. This is the smell of your medicine. Okay. Now smell this. Smell it. Did you smell? So this is Mama's lipstick smell. Okay. Now smell this. Smell it. अच्छे से smell करो. Okay, so this is the smell of a gulabari. Okay, you can just pour a little bit. Smell it. This is the smell of the gulabari. Yes. You smelled it. Now this is your powder smell. Okay, so smell it. This is your powder smell. Okay, and this is your moisturizer smell. Okay. So this is your moisturizer smell. Okay. So here also we will ask the kid to close their eyes and to explore and identify what they are smelling of. So this activity, either you can ask them to point out from the objects which they are smelling, or you can ask them to name them. So this activities of different sense of organs you can do many a times in a day, or every day one time you can do. They will surely enjoy this activity. This is a very fun activity and I'm sure they will enjoy this. Now we will move on to our next and the final, that is how to see the different kind of pattern activities. So here comes our final activity, and this activity we are using the final sense of organ, that is our eye, and this also is for the hand and eye coordination purposes. This activity will also help out to increase the concentration level of the kids and to understand the different kind of pairing activity. So I'm using over here the clips which I'm using for my kid. You can use any kind of colorful pegs, any kind of straws. You can also use beads or pom-poms like this. So you can keep like all the pair, from each of the pair you can keep one of the same color or same pattern, and you have to ask your kid to find the pattern, the same pair, and pair it up. So this is also a very fun activity. So here I am ending up my today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then share with more parents. So we'll meet up in our next video next Saturday. Until then, take care, goodbye, and happy parenting.